She waited by the window, hoping he would return someday. His eyes were filled with tears when he heard the news. The song reminded her of the happiest days of her life. They held each other in silence, feeling the weight of goodbye. She kept the old letter in her drawer for years. He whispered softly in her ear before leaving forever. She prayed for his safety every single night. 8. His memories will stay in my heart no matter what. He walked through the empty streets, feeling completely alone. The promise still lives in their broken hearts. 1.